Alright, traders, welcome. Patrick with Trading123.net. In today's video here on Friday the 13th of September, we're trading the ES and NQ. We did 7 trades today for over $4,400 in profits, with our average winning trade being $636. And so let's take a look at our first trade here. ES, as I always say, double check your settings. Yesterday afternoon I was trading 5 contracts of the ES on a move that I seen, and basically forgot to change the settings back to 2 contracts. So today I start the bot, and right away it gets in. Well, it gets in a trade, and ES is kind of crawling right here. You know, it's not really moving out like it can. So I exit one contract here, and then the others are left, and I decide I'm looking at the price action. NQ's going up nicely, and it's just stalled right here near the double top. And you know what's going to happen as soon as I exit it? Well, I exited it here, and then it shot up to the 18 and 20 area. So always double check your settings. So we got 242 on that, and let's look at our next trade. And here's our first trade on the NQ, and market's trending up, trading 3 contracts, 840 goal like we were trading before. Going with a little higher goal other than 640 because the range is a little bigger. Even on a Friday, I'm just, going for the goal. If I don't hit it, who cares? But if I hit it, I got, extra $200 profit. So that's the way I look at it. Market starts getting choppy, I'll just, shut it down and reset the strategy. So 2 up moves and a 720 profit. And here's the trades on our opening range breakout. These weren't included in our strategy performance for today. These are just 3 trades we did. So be sure to watch that video, which will be out tomorrow. First one hit our 330, 290, and 417 goals. So we're back into the ES here on this trade. Market peaked at a high at 10 o'clock, and then some U of M numbers come out. So that's why you always got to check Forex Factory for the red folders for the major news events of the day, and the U of M numbers are one of them. It's funny, if you went to University of Michigan and graduated, you're an alumni member, you get the numbers the day before. So you know if they're going to spin the market up or down. Wish I would have went to U of M. So I don't know how exactly true that is these days, but like over 10 years ago, 10, 12, 14 years ago, someone I knew at a trading firm and other traders had told me the fact that if you were alumni at U of M, you got the numbers the day before. But you never know which way the market's going to go, so you're not going to get rich having insider information, and you could go to jail. So it's just like trying to play the CPI numbers when they come out. The market either shoots up like a rocket or down, but just flip a coin. I learned that like 12, 14 years ago. I ain't wasting my time trying to figure those things out. News is good, it goes down. News is bad, it goes up. Or vice versa. You never know. That's why you let the bot do the work. So our ES trade here, a sell-off and a reversal, and we get our 796 profit. And there's a strategy performance, 100% winners, largest winning trade, 333. One thing about the ES, back 10, 12 years ago, and I heard someone recently say, oh, ever since COVID, the ES has taken off. That's a bunch of horse shit. ES and NQ were volatile markets before COVID, and like probably 10, 12 years ago, you were lucky to get 2 points in the ES. That's how tight of a range it was. Some people were just happy with 1 point. Imagine that. Now you can get 20 points in an hour. So here's our NQ trade, and market kind of gets choppy here after those U of M numbers. It's a Friday, and that's another thing. Back years ago on Mondays and Fridays, I mean, Fridays you had like a half hour to trade, and that was it. By 10 o'clock, there was no volume. The range is so tight. I mean, like I said, you got 1 point, you're hitting a home run. Everybody would just leave. So in the summer, it was also slow. So I'm getting this video too long. So anyways, we get into some chop here. Bot goes to work, does its thing, little stops here and there, but overall profit target hits 767 we made. Here's a strategy performance, all the numbers. Largest winning trade 250. Yeah, I was listening to one of those gurus on YouTube, that trading veteran, 25 years experience. And before COVID, the market has taken off since COVID. I'm like, this guy has no clue what he's talking about. No clue at all. And he can't even trade either. So here's the next trade in the NQ. Get a little lost here. Going into the 10:30 time frame, we ride the trend down. And three-wave move to the downside. Profit goal hit. And there's a strategy performance. Boom. All the numbers. And here's our ES trade we put on right around just after 10 here. Market was trending up, slow grind. And then the bottom fell out, sells off, reversal here, and then a reversal down, and we hit our 800. Well, we didn't hit our goal, but we got our $800. And then we had one more trade here on the NQ coming in to the power hour. We decided to call it a day. And we caught a down move and up move. And that was enough for me. So that was 7 trades for $4,400. And we called it a day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it went over a little long. I was ranting and raving about the past. And so hope you enjoyed that information. Be sure to hit that like button and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And visit our webpage for more information, trading123.net. And we'll catch you in the next video. Have a good weekend. Thanks for watching.